Would you believe that YouTube can pay anywhere from $3,000 to $40,000 for 1 million views? Now that's a figure that can make your eyebrows shoot up in surprise. You see, the world of YouTube earnings is a fascinating one, filled with a myriad of variables that make each creator's journey unique. The truth is, earnings on YouTube can vary significantly. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Factors such as the location of your viewers, the type of content you're producing, and the demographics of your audience can all play a crucial role in determining your potential earnings. So, if you've been imagining a straightforward equation where 1 million views automatically translate to a fixed sum of money, well, it's time to adjust that notion. The reality is far more nuanced. Quite a range, isn't it? But let's delve deeper to understand how this works. Joining the Million Views Club isn't just about bragging rights. It's about the potential for substantial earnings. Let's take a journey through the world of YouTube and explore the earnings of various content creators who have crossed the 1 million views mark. Let's start with our first example, a tech reviewer. This YouTuber, known for their in-depth gadget reviews and tech news, recently hit 1 million views on their latest smartphone review. Their earnings? A cool $5,000. Now, consider our second example, a travel vlogger. With their breathtaking videos of exotic destinations, they've garnered 1 million views on a video featuring a hidden gem in South America. Their earnings? A slightly higher $6,000. Next, we have a makeup artist. With their transformative makeup tutorials, they've amassed over 1 million views on their latest Halloween look. Their earnings? A staggering $9,000. And finally, we have a gaming YouTuber. Known for their entertaining walkthroughs and game reviews, their latest video game playthrough has hit the 1 million view mark. Their earnings? A whopping $15,000. But hold on, we've got a wild card here, a music artist who's released their latest music video on YouTube. With 1 million views under their belt, their earnings skyrocket to $20,000. As you can see, the earnings from YouTube can be quite diverse. A tech reviewer earning $5,000. A travel vlogger making $6,000, a makeup artist raking in $9,000, a gamer pocketing $15,000, and a musician hitting the jackpot with $20,000. But why such a wide range? Why does a tech reviewer earn less than a musician? It's not merely about the views. There are multiple factors at play here that contribute to this variation. Even with the same 1 million views, the earnings can differ substantially. As you can see, the earnings vary quite a bit. But what causes this variation? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of YouTube earnings in the next scene. Ever wondered why one video earns more than another, even if they have the same view count? Let's dive into the fascinating factors influencing YouTube earnings. One of the most significant variables is viewer demographics. Ever noticed how the ads you see often seem to understand you? That's because advertisers are willing to pay more to reach certain audiences. A video viewed by a high-income viewer in an affluent country may earn more than a video viewed by a lower-income viewer in a less prosperous region. Another key element is the type of content you create. Some content categories have higher advertiser demand than others. For instance, a video about luxury cars might attract higher-paying ads than a video about DIY crafts. This doesn't necessarily mean you should switch to creating content you're not passionate about. It's just a factor to bear in mind. Now, let's talk about ad types. YouTube offers several types of ads, each with a different payout. Skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards, the list goes on. The type of ads displayed on your video can significantly impact your earnings. Skippable video ads, for instance, typically pay more than display ads. Moreover, the number of ads in a video can also make a difference. YouTube allows creators to insert ads in videos that are longer than 10 minutes. So, a 20-minute video with multiple ads can potentially earn more than a 5-minute video with just one ad. And let's not forget about YouTube Premium. If a YouTube Premium subscriber watches your video, you get a share of their subscription fee. This can add up over time and become a significant part of your earnings. In summary, factors like who watches your videos, the type of content you create, the kind of ads displayed, the number of ads, and the influence of YouTube Premium subscriptions can greatly impact your earnings. So, factors like who watches your videos and what type of content you create can greatly impact your earnings. So how can you maximize your potential earnings on YouTube? Let's navigate this exciting terrain together, shall we? First and foremost, it's pivotal to target high-value demographics. You see, advertisers are willing to pay more to reach certain audiences. For instance, the 18 to 34 age bracket is a goldmine, as they're typically the ones with purchasing power. So, tailoring your content to appeal to this group could lead to a higher ad revenue. Secondly, creating advertiser-friendly content is key. This means producing content that aligns with YouTube's community guidelines. Avoid controversial topics, explicit language, or anything that may be considered offensive. Remember, advertisers want their brands associated with content that reflects them positively. The more advertiser-friendly your content is, the more brands will be willing to place their ads on your videos. Now let's talk about video length. YouTube allows mid-roll ads for videos longer than 8 minutes. This means you can have more than one ad in a single video, increasing your potential ad revenue. However, be careful not to overdo it. You want to maintain a balance between monetizing your content and keeping your audience engaged. Another crucial strategy is optimizing your videos for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This increases the visibility of your videos in search results, attracting more views and, in turn, more ad revenue. Let's not forget about YouTube Premium. Subscribers pay a monthly fee for an ad-free experience, but you still get a cut from their subscription fee based on how much they watch your content. So creating engaging content that keeps viewers coming back is also a good way to maximize your earnings. Lastly, consider diversifying your revenue stream. Affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise sales, fan funding, and channel memberships can supplement your ad revenue and help stabilize your income. By understanding and leveraging these strategies, you can potentially increase your YouTube earnings. It's not just about getting those million views, it's about making those views count. YouTube earnings can be quite lucrative, but it's not without its challenges. The potential for earning on this platform is indeed substantial, but it's important to remember that it's not as easy as hitting the upload button and watching the money roll in. The potential for earning is vast. Some creators have even been known to earn six-figure sums annually. This isn't just limited to individuals either. Companies have built entire businesses around YouTube, using it as a springboard to launch their brands and products. The platform's global reach, combined with the ability to monetize through ads, sponsored content, and merchandise sales, provides a myriad of opportunities to earn. But let's not forget, the road to YouTube success is oftentimes paved with challenges. First and foremost, it requires a lot of work. Creating content that resonates with an audience isn't a walk in the park. It takes research, planning, filming, editing, and a consistent upload schedule to keep your audience engaged. Furthermore, the YouTube algorithm is a fickle beast. What works one day might not work the next. It's a game of trial and error, and sometimes even the most well-thought-out content doesn't hit the mark. Then there's the issue of ad revenue fluctuation. Your earnings can swing dramatically from month to month based on factors beyond your control, such as changes in viewer behavior, advertiser demand, or even changes in YouTube's policies. And finally, there's a bit of luck involved. Sometimes a video goes viral for reasons that can't be predicted or replicated. It's a wonderful surprise when it happens, but it's not a reliable business model. Indeed, YouTube offers a platform where creativity and hard work can translate into substantial earnings. But remember, it's not a guaranteed goldmine. It requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of perseverance. But for those who are willing to put in the work and navigate the pitfalls, the rewards can be truly remarkable. So there you have it, a look into the surprising world of YouTube earnings. We've journeyed together through the Million Views Club, where we discovered the exciting potential of substantial earnings. But remember, it's not all about the views. A myriad of factors come into play that influence these earnings, from the location of your audience to the length of your content, and let's not forget the all-important engagement metrics. We also delved into strategies for maximizing your YouTube earnings, from optimizing your content for search to understanding your analytics and building a loyal and engaged audience. The potential is vast, but so are the pitfalls. It's a challenging landscape, but with the right approach, it can be rewarding. Remember, YouTube is more than just a platform. It's a vibrant community, a global stage, and for some, a livelihood. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.